Hey guys, it's me, Gaming King here, back with another video. Today I'm playing Balloons Monkey City. I've played this game before, that's why I'm level 21. Memes. And I have a lot of pending attacks, which that's not okay. And I keep on getting bunches of rewards. I had like 15 people die from like me sending attacks to them, which that's a lot of people, like 15, 20 or something like that, like a large amount of people. I'm gonna purchase cleaning foam and I still have a lot more left that I can use. Spikle Bolt is just a waste, I bet. It's the shooting star. I don't know what to buy. Balloon dissolver, what is that? Stream yourself to melt. Like that. I'm just gonna buy this then. And just still have more money. I've already done those all. That. Still have a lot more money. Okay, there. Shooting star. Okay, so I'm gonna do the contested territory thing. And then once I hold it for like a couple days or something, I'll get like a bunch of like balloon stones if I hold it and if I don't die. How do I do that? I'll put it right there. And then I want something good. This is good to use. Focus darts is good to get. Because then it won't be like swerving all over the place. Hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified for any video that I post. Yeah. If you guys are like, if I'm silent, then I don't know what to talk about. Like, I don't know what to say. So, yeah. There's a shooting star. Oh, yeah. Buy that. Also, I got the hydro flask. Just kidding. It's not a hydro flask. And I'm just kidding. Are you kidding me? You got a friend in my You anime. I just placed down a spike factory, so then when the balloons come, then yeah, they'll get stopped by the FBI, which is the spike factories. I don't know. So I've just been grinding, like, in this. I thought it would be boring because, watching me because I wasn't talking that much. So, yeah. Actually, I wasn't talking at all. Because that would have been really weird. There, that was easy, but I mean, it was way too easy. Way too easy that round. This is way too easy, though. With the rockets, it's not even touching, like, those spikes. And right before it just gets destroyed. If it's Moab round, or like, no, it is, yeah, I meant this round then. I was gonna have those ice things, but never mind, because it's right here. I guess I'm gonna put one right there. If I can do that, so then, yeah, I hope I don't die. Oof. These balloons are just getting destroyed right now. Are you kidding me? That was easy. That was easy, guys. Subscribe for that and like the video for that. Because that was good. Like, those balloons are hard to pop. And there's another one, which I'm probably gonna get destroyed by. And there's two of them. And those aren't even, like, it hasn't made a dent in this. Yeah, I'm dead. Unless if I, like, I don't know. I'm dead, definitely. Probably. If I survive, you guys gotta hit the like button and subscribe. Yeah, I knew it. But still, like the video and subscribe. Well, that will be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notifications to get notified when my next video uploads. Bye.